How'd you know? It's not fair, you silenced me. That's not fair. Oh my god, that's so OP, dude. How is that even fair? That's not even fair, dude. That's not fair. The silence is too good. What the hell? This is not fair, dude. What am I supposed to do against Fiddlesticks, Nick? I can't outplay you. See? What the hell's that? I can't ult. Dude, this isn't fair. That's not even fair. Oh my god, dude, the counter is real. What the hell? That's not even fair. You forced me to trade with you, or else I would have just kept losing trades and not been able to farm at all. That's it, I'm reporting you.